When you're filtering pages for information, bear in mind you can actually save these filters as views to reload later on down the line. For example, here on posted sales invoices, I've got 4 filters for cancelled is no, closed is no, so I'm only seeing my invoices that are currently open, not cancelled, and due to be paid. And I've got a due date, which if I click into is .cm. This way, once I've actually saved this view in a moment, this will always be updated to be the end of the current month. So only looking at invoices due up until the end of the current month. And then I have a bill to country and region code, so I can only see invoices for GB. You can save these by clicking the floppy disk and pencil icon next to the right hand side of all, give it a relevant name, and hit enter. If you ever change these, for example, so I can see all the non-GB customers, you can actually save as with the 3 dots to the right hand side. Just change the name, and then you'll have an additional view.